Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes fix error installing .NET Framework 3.5. First method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand software. Click and expand policies, click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows, click and expand Windows Update. Click O, open use WU server, change value data to 0. Second method is Open File Explorer, open Windows bootable CD folder. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type DISM space, /online space, /enable minus feature. /feature name colon net fx3 space, /source colon d colon. /sources /sxs space, /limit access. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.